Letran Comelec concludes the 2024 Student Council elections, followed by the proclamation of the official results for the Executive Committee and Senatorial positions at the Del Pilar Hall today, April 18.
The newly elected Letran Student Council officers have stated their gratitude towards the student body and expressed future plans on aiding assistance to every Letranite through addressing their concerns as they assume their posts as the next members of the Student Council.
Hi, my name is Julian Ortañez. I am a third-year political science student and I ran for the position of president. With regards to plans, I have internal and external organizations to go back to. First, there is the Letran Politicos. I am also a member of the secretariat at the moment. So there's the possibility that I will continue my student leadership there. Outside of Letran, there is the Association of Political Science Organizations of the Philippines, or the APSOP. I am currently the highest elective position in that organization. So there is also a possibility that I will resume other positions in that organization next year. I will most probably be staying in Politicos. So my contributions will be confined within a political science program. But there is a possibility na there will be other ways for me to contribute to the kolehiyo, then I will take it. Kasi as I said, before pa man ako tumakbo, way before, it has always been service that's been my advocacy. Pero siguro I will be focusing on the political science program. In the next bout of elections, since we will need to elect a president, please do put prime on reviewing platforms, on examining the characteristics, the personal traits of candidates, because that really matters. Once again, my fellow Letranites, it is very, very important that we are represented, especially in a student council. Now that there is a concentration of demands from the kolehiyo, like for facilities, like for changes in the academic structure, we really need a functioning student council. So please, I am invoking the support of the student body. Please do participate in the elections properly. At the end of the day, it is us who make our next school year.
Hello everyone, I am Jamela May L. Patricio, a second-year psychology student, and I ran for the position of psychology senator. So as of this moment, we actually gained 80% of the votes. And since very proactive nga ang psychology program, I believe one of the advantages of this is parang mas mapapalawak natin yung advocacies natin lahat, not only just my advocacy but everyone's advocacy. And of course, mas mapapalawak din natin, and also will also raise more awareness nga towards eradicating yung stigma nga sa mental health. Okay, so from the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank my psychology area program, or to the psychology area for voting, not only for me but also to the other candidates. I would like to thank you guys so much for that. And of course, hindi dito nagtatapos yung trabaho namin. Simula pa lang to, and I will not disappoint you guys.
My name is Matt David Eobiena. I ran for Digital Arts Senator, and I am currently a third-year digital arts student. I believe that I can work much earlier than I had the opportunity to do this academic year. Plan events that are catered for my course and for the other students of Letran. Specific for my fellow digital arts students, dun sa 10 bumoto sa akin, thank you very much. Dun sa 2, mahal ko pa kayo. I promise to do my best to serve the kolehiyo and to give back to the community. Yun lang.
Hi, my name is Luis Daniel Villalucis, a second-year tourism management student, and I ran for the position of tourism management senator. I think no naman, kasi it's for me naman to help them engage talaga sa mga events na i-implement din ng LSC. So it is my job talaga na let them be active sa mga upcoming pa dahil hindi man ako pwedeng mag-decide kung ano yung gusto at ayaw nila. Kaya nandito ako para pakinggan talaga lahat ng concerns nila. I think talagang mag-participate tayo sa every event na kailangan tayo bilang estudyante dahil doon natin mas napapakita na yung rights pala natin rather napapractice natin kasi para sa atin din naman to at para sa future student.
Hello, my name is Jed Federico T. Acosta. I am a first-year political science student and I ran for the position of Deputy Secretary in the Letran Student Council. So I actually don't know what to feel kasi the moment I sent my candidacy to the COMELEC, I had low hopes. I know I'm a freshie, not a lot of Letranites know me, so I know that I had big chances to lose. I would like to thank everyone who voted for me and those who didn't. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for exercising your right to vote. And I'd like to take this platform also to thank the organizations that helped me, the Letran Politicals and the Letran Student Council. Without you, I would not be here. Thank you for molding me to the person that I am, the leader that I am today. And I would like also to thank my supporters, to those who helped in the campaign. I am not going to be here without you and your support. So last statement is that please, Letranites, I know I said this in the MDA, I'll say this again, please vote. Vote next week so that we can produce a president. Thank you so much.
So, I'm Alex Clarinal. I am the newly elected Vice President of the Letran Student Council and I am from BSBA Business Economics, currently a second year. So, initially, hindi talaga ako mag-run for LSE elections kasi madaming factors yan. Unang-una yung academics ko. But despite that, parang as time passed by, yung mga extensions sa COMELEC, parang there is this sense of urgency talaga na kailangan mag-step up for the student body. I think more on yung difficulty na na-encounter ko is more on sa self ko. Kasi ang daming contemplation, ang daming deliberation na kailangan kong pag-isipan bago ako tumakbo. I wouldn't put that into waste because hindi naman to yung mismong culmination ng suporta nyo. Kasi pag nandun na sa mismong posisyon, dun nagsisimula yung mismong yung balik ko sa suporta nyo. Let's participate and vote for the student na or president na magja-genuinely represent sa concerns and issues na nag-aaray sa ating institution. Yun lang.
COMELEC Chair Benj Almendra stressed on the need for a special election, which is prescribed by the election code as a failure in this year's elections once again transpired. They also encouraged the entire studentry to actively participate in the second wave of elections, as the presidential post is yet to be filled due to greater counting abstentions than favorable votes.
Hi, I am Benj, the incumbent chairman of this year's COMELEC. Actually, I was the Secretary General of last year's commission, and the outcome's almost the same. No? I don't want to say that I feel disappointed because it feels like as the top of the team, like the one who leads, being disappointed will affect the way we operate. So I think the best word that I'll use for this question is we're not motivated, but we're more eager to produce a president because we at COMELEC, we aspire to, of course, continue the streak of representation aside from the representation that we hold with the RSOs and CPAGs. So we have already submitted a deposition paper to the incumbent student council and they have already acknowledged the said paper. No, we have provided there the possibility of extensions, like yun na nga, mangyayari na siya for next week. Just to provide an idea as to how things will work next week, we're planning to have only a week-long extension. We're planning to produce a president through the help of the students, of course, by Friday next week. So that's gonna be a tedious but short process. And I also grab this opportunity to encourage our students, our fellow students, to continue stepping up and continue voting.
Students, meanwhile, expressed varying expectations and opinions on the election period and result. Such insights encompass the demand for improvement, which may positively influence the result of future elections.
There's no one to blame naman in the first place, pero kumbaga, siguro as recommendation, siguro mas okay kapag hindi natin itutuloy yung election kung iisa lang yung candidate na tatakbo. Kasi I think it's better and more healthier for the students to have an option. Kasi kapag isa lang yung candidate na tumakbo, mas may chance na siya na yung magiging officer. Hindi siya competition pero kumbaga walang voting talaga na nangyari. So hindi talaga nakapili. Kumbaga hindi talaga nakapili yung mga estudyante sa kung sino man yung gusto nilang mag-lead sa council.
First of all, I would like to congratulate lahat ng nanalo ngayong election. Expectation ko for this election was actually maraming tatakbo. But unfortunately, isa lang yung tumakbo sa bawat posisyon. Pero, ayun nga, I think ang basis naman talaga natin is yung competence ng bawat tumakbo on whether we should vote for them or not. Siguro nagkaroon lang ng kakulangan when it comes to the campaign period, no? Kasi naging limited lang yung naging reach ng bawat candidate for next year's election is that may improve pa sana yung campaign period. Siguro dapat mas maging inclusive siya, mas mapalawak yung reach, mas mapakilala yung mga candidates, mas mabigyan sila ng way kung paano nila maipipresenta yung plataforma nila. Of course, yung magiging expectation natin is nakadepende sa kung paano natin sila nakilala. Very important yung campaign period is para mas alam natin kung ano yung plano nila para sa atin.
With a total of 71% student poll participation, election is not yet over as President once again yet to be elected due to high abstentions. A special election will now take place in the upcoming week as announced by the Letran Comelec. This has been Asia Jimenez, your Lance News correspondent, reminding you to stay in the know.